Ladies and gentlemen, live October the 15th at BYB 16, Jeff Bones Jones and Brandon the Cobra Kirkham will go one-on-one in a 5-round boxing match to see who is the baddest man in BYB. Don't miss this epic fight. Also, tune in November the 5th at BYB 17 as Brandon the Cobra Kirkham and Jeff Jones settle the score in part 3 of the trilogy. And then BYB 18 kicks off towards the end of November as Matt, the giant who loves to fight, goes one-on-one with Dalton, the immortal Gentry, in what has been already named could be the biggest heavyweight fight ever in BYB. Will Dalton knock down the giant, or will the giant knock out Gentry and name himself as the new BYB heavyweight #1 contender? Tune in this Tuesday. Don't miss it. Good night, everybody.